Well, peace and blessings on the children. What going on? Where gonna be? This year the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. You know this time of evening is starting to be where I ain't for sneeze these year, cause sun and thing to grind down. But look ya where I be. Look at this y'all. So 100 children know for true I did right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation with all 100 children and thing like that. But you know something? I had 100 children for joining me for this lead journey right here. Cause this is the time of the year for the Coota in them. Oh yeah, we done see plenty of the Coota and things done come up for hey babies and things right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation or through Chucktown and then over yonder in Beaufort County and things like that. I soon it could be coming up on Tybee. All this your course the way then Coota hey baby and things like that. So now when they come out the ocean from right yonder, they have to drag you way for make your way all the way over to these here parts like this here. So see, these here the dunes and things. So now you see yonder the lighthouse, light about to come on shortly and things like that. So before darkness fall, I won't get out you. But this your time of year. We ain't 100 children for have your outdoor light and things. If you got one porch and things like that, and you got one building right yonder near the ocean, or 100 that did it or still near the ocean, things like that, this time of evening, please, y'all, even don't have no light on tall, or have low, dim, natural thing like if you have fire going or something like that. But don't turn on no bright light and thing. Cause you disturb the mama would coulda would have tried for come up here for hey babies. Okay? Then rather was if you come here to the Gullah Geechee Nation for seaweed, please don't be no manners. When you see these your sign like this here, keep off the dune. It might look reverse on there, but keep off them. Keep on the bunkie off there. Okay, look here. Alright. So now if you see these, see all them pink flag and things like that, that ain't for nobody going in, y'all. That ain't for nothing for tear down. Because them pink flag and thing and tag and thing mean a plenty of things, different places. That a where them figure they done got some nests and thing. If that are all the nests, grand God 100 children we bless. Okay? So that's why they tell you for don't care on herself upon the dune. Let's you Coota. And if Hunter got a cell phone and Hunter the Coota, I want Hunter for hit me up, yeah? Okay then. So it have to be one of we if you got one cell phone. So yeddi what we to say. The sign ain't there they dry long. So it's so that you get a Coota one chance for have more Coota and thing like that for them for make it way. Then when the lily Coota and thing like that done come out, they have to make a journey all the way from that dune, all the way to the ocean. You see that? You got to get all the way down there. Now, y'all might say, that ain't nothing, because me and you can go in there, because one of we step take we so far. But think about that, if you been this little young, and you had to take all that way from back yonder to all the way to that water there, and then bird and thing to fly down, get a thing might come out here. People did it, dog did it. Great God, that ain't no easy trip, yeah. I know some 100 children say, great God, Queen, that sound like my life. I must have put it on land for truth. Because great God, it feel like things are coming at me all the time. I know. I yeddi you. I know 100 to say for truth. Like that's why we ask you keep the low light. Because that help so the turtle and thing don't get turned around and then get mixed up. And rather was, don't use the plastic bag. Them plastic bag, and even if you done finished with your old cast net and thing, don't just left them around. Again, don't be no manners. Mama Earth to tell 100 children, don't be no manners. Because when you do that, then that thing stay out showing in the water, and then when the Coota and thing to try for make it way, sometimes it get tied up in there. And then sometimes you see that sad story and thing where the water creature and thing dead up on the shore and thing like that. Because we no man ourselves that they call an Anthropocene problem what it going on with the climate action things we to do. Climate change, ocean acidification, plenty things we to do on land. The land up in the ocean like a this year, and y'all didn't want y'all seafood pre-cooked. Y'all didn't want acid for the food. And that look pretty and feel good too out here. But true. So we come here, the ocean and thing, we come here for honor of your ancestors. So think about that. What if them Coota Dem, they're the messenger from the Middle Passage? What if them Coota Dem, I take your time for coming to the land, the all the way, nice and slow like the elders will learn we. Take your time. Tarry and leave wild. You can get it plenty. You can learn who honored her any if you take your time. So imagine that. Maybe the mama Coota will be the comfort in the ocean. And take your time for go all the way higher to the dune. To get there. For hey baby. For a baby, learn we have to slow down a little while. Have to appreciate all of this what God gave me. Especially if on a day y'all in this your land of the Gullah Geechee. So y'all on the chiller, go on to GullahGeecheeLand.com, GullahGeecheeLand.com, and get it about how the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition help for do work for keep all this shit clean, but rather was for crack we teeth, for hundred children, yeddi what Gullah Geechee be and what we mean. Because they ain't just what they want about on a lifestyle. Now you keep the culture alive. But we on the land and rather was the Coota would be out in the orchard, but have to make it way up through this your sand. So keep that light in your heart, grind. But keep that light on that porch low. Because this is the time that Coota need for see way. And so mama can tell the chiller which way for go. So I'm so glad they want the chiller tune in with me. Just for had this your time for breathing a little bit more of who we be. That we be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Yeah. Chiller woosah. Just a minute. Breathe them in. Breathe out.